Everyone, this is Vidya Bhushan Vibhu. On my behalf of second activity for my GSC community, I'm going to tell you a story by the person who is responsible for introducing optical fiber in India first time, and he is none other than our honorable teacher, Dr. T.N. Baswaraj. Sir, tell me about how you think of installing and how the idea of optical fiber came into your mind, like how you should install that. What is the inspiration for that thing?
I'm very happy to inform you about my achievements with installing OFC. Optical fiber communication has revolutionized man's life by providing very fast and very cheap transmission technique. In our country, first time we have installed OFC equipment in Pune in 1983. Installation team consists of 2 engineers and 2 technicians, and I am very lucky and also proud to announce I was one of the engineers who installed the first OFC equipment in our country. Designing of the equipment was done by TRC, that is Telecommunication Research Center, who are the body in India who will be designing the equipment, and installation will be done by others. Indian telephone industry was the leading communication industry at the time, indigenously developing all requirements of our country. So we were given the task of making that equipment. That equipment was called 8 MB OLTE, that is 120 telephone channels, digital telephone channels can be transmitted from one exchange to the other exchange. That is the purpose of that equipment. So we fabricated that equipment in ITI. It consisted of 7 PC boards, tested it. It was very thrilling because for the first time we are doing the optical communication equipment. Then we took it to Pune and installation started. Almost for 1 month, we took a lot of measurements to see the reliability of the equipment. So at that time, the optical cable was not very much ruggedized. Nowadays, it's very much ruggedized, available, very easily you can install. At that time, because it's not that much ruggedized, so we have to take a lot of care in taking the cable from one exchange to the other exchange. For example, there was a river we have to cross. So this cable was put on the bridge side wall was there. On the wall, it was laid and cemented, so that for protection and all that. So like this was there. And one more thing, it was the first time optical communication equipment. A lot of people were having a lot of curiosity. They used to come. A lot of people used to come and ask questions. With so much enthusiasm, we used to explain the equipment. And equipment worked very successfully. Then onwards, this optical communication increased in numbers. So the exact word is it's explosion. It's so much of explosion. Nowadays we are having so much of cheap communication, cheap gigabits of transmission that is possible only in optical fibers.
That optical fiber was in between 2 exchange offices.
Exchange offices. That is to begin with. Afterwards, from city to city, all those
country to country.
Okay.